you're one of those people looking for a fully funded scholarship such that you will not have to bother about your tuition fee, now this is one video you want to sit, relax, and watch to the end. My name is Wande, and this is Japa with your days. I know you all are wondering that this is not the usual face you are used to. I'm sorry for being MIA. I promise you are going to see more of me. Now we have exciting news for people that are looking for scholarship to study outside the country. Now this scholarship covers for all program levels, for BSc, for masters, including the PhD level. Now the juicy part of this scholarship is that your tuition fee is paid for, a monthly allowance is provided, and a medical insurance is also provided. The most exciting thing I really love about this scholarship is that your visa fee and your flight fee is reimbursed. Now, if this is something that you really want to engage in, I really want you to sit, relax, and watch this video to the end. Japa with the Ideas is a channel that provides informative content for people that want to relocate outside the country through the study route or normal relocation purposes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video to your loved ones. It will really help a lot of people. Now I'm going to leave you with my husband to provide you more details about this scholarship program. Let's go.
The name of the scholarship that we are talking about is Excellence Scholarship from the Government of Mexico. Yes, and it is particularly designed for foreigners. Yes, and of course, I'm going to be giving to you the details about this scholarship. Now, mind you, one thing that you need to note is that this scholarship is going to be ending in 16 days. As you can see here, that means by the 28th of June of this month, this scholarship will be ending. So that means you have about 16 days left to apply for this scholarship. That is why you are seeing this countdown here. And of course, like I've always been saying in almost all of my videos, that you need to be preparing for opportunity. This is not the time where you will be slacking in any areas of your document preparation. Every document that you need to be able to achieve your Japa plan this year must be handy. They must be ready, available, so that when you receive information like this, you will be able to quickly tap into it. Now, of course, this scholarship is for all gender, male and female. And like my wife rightly said, it is for bachelor program, master's program, PhD program, and also it also covers postdoc program, okay? And of course, the medium of instruction for this program or for any courses that you can expect to study in Mexico in any institutions or in any eligible institutions, which we'll be showing to you shortly as well. So the medium of instruction for any course that you can expect to apply for should be either in English or Spanish. English or Spanish. And as you can see here, it covers all fields of research, all fields of BSc program, master's program, PhD program, or postdoc program, okay? And it is fully funded. Now, let's quickly check some of the juicy part of this scholarship. And of course, there are eligible countries. We will also show that to you shortly. And like I've said, it is ending by the 28th of June, 3 p.m. Central Mexico time. Now, and eligible countries are 180 countries. Now, let's quickly see what does this scholarship even entails. Already, this scholarship entails a fully funded tuition fee for master's program, PhD program, or your master's or your BSc program, okay? A fully funded tuition fee is taken care of now. And also, it covers a monthly stipend of 4 times with the amount of, with the amount in total of $13,202. That is for master's program and undergraduate that is for master's program and undergraduate program level. Okay. However, for PhD program, now a monthly stipend of 5 times the monthly value of the UMA, which is currently equivalent to be $16,502. Okay, that is for doctoral program and postdoctoral research level. Now, enrollment and tuition fee, of course, I've already said that. Medical insurance through the Mexican Social Security Institute, okay? So which means, I mean, if you have any related purposes, this scholarship also provide medical insurance for every applicant that is admitted to this fully funded opportunity. Now, payment waiver for issuing the Mexican visa fee. So which means you will not need to pay for any visa fee when you are selected for this fully funded program. Your visa fee is waived for you. And also international air flight transportation upon satisfactory completion of the academic program. So which means visa fee or visa reimbursement is also provided to all applicants that are eligible and are selected for this program. Now, national transportation is also provided, okay? That means that when you arrive in Mexico, you will also be given some sort of a waiver for any transportations that you will need to embark on within Mexico. So, and I mean, this is a very, very juicy opportunity. This is one of a lifetime opportunity that you cannot afford not to apply for. Additionally, the body that are in charge of this fully funded PhD program also promised that they will purchase the air flight ticket in all applicable cases. So which means any ticket purchased individually will not be subject to refund. So once you have been offered this fully funded program, of course, they are the one that will purchase your flight ticket from your home country down to Mexico. So which means you do not need to spend your individual funds to purchase any flight ticket. Any changes to the airline ticket purchased by this body from the recipient are not payable. Also, for national ground transportation, the scholarship recipient should pay for the bus fare and will receive reimbursement for the amount. So, which means literally everything to study for bachelor program, master's program, or PhD program is free in Mexico. Now, of course, these are the, I'm not going to be giving you details. I mean, sorry, I'm not going to be reading everything to you. I'm going to provide the link on the video description so that you can read details about this scholarship yourself. And then these are the people that are eligible. Applicants should be nationals of one of the 180 eligible countries, which we will check shortly, have a bachelor degree, master degree, or PhD degree according to the level of the program requested. Okay, so you can read details about some of these eligibility criteria, which I think that all international or any European citizens that are within the 180 countries that have been selected to be eligible countries can apply to this. So let's quickly check some of the eligible countries that can apply. Now, in here, you see North America, people from Canada, province of Quebec. Now, Latin America, these are the countries that can apply. Bolivia, Argentina, Bolivia, Venezuela, Chile, Republic of Colombia, Republic of Paraguay, and then Africa, we have Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, and that's about 54 African countries. So you can check your country to determine if your country is part of the country that can apply. And in Asia, we have 26 countries, and the Federation of Malaysia, Japan, Mongolia, Kingdom of Cambodia, these are the countries that can apply. And in Central America, we have Republic of Costa Rica, Republic of El Salvador, Republic of Guatemala, Republic of Honduras, and a host of them. Then the Caribbean countries, we have 15 countries from the Caribbean, while in Europe, we have 43 countries in Europe can apply, okay? UK, Belgium, name it, Russia, Georgia, Poland, France, Germany, and the likes, they can apply. So Middle East, 15 countries, Pacific, 17 countries, non-self-governing territories. These are the ineligible criteria that any applicant should try as much as possible to avoid. Now, I know that this is one of the most important information that you are waiting for. These are the list of universities in Mexico that you need to submit your application to, okay? And of course, you need to have applied to either a bachelor program, master's program, or PhD program in any of these recognized universities in Mexico. So particularly what you should be targeting should be courses that are within your language of instruction or language that you have skills at. So if you are from an English-speaking country, you have to look for courses that are for English speakers. If you are Spanish, you have to, if you understand Spanish, you have to look for courses that are particularly designed for Spanish speakers. So, and they have about 91 universities that are eligible for this fully funded program in Mexico. So these are the 91 universities that you should be targeting from now on till the 28th of June to apply. So let's quickly check some of the required documents for both bachelor program and for PhD and postdoctoral program. Generally, these are the documents that you need. Online application form, which I will show to you shortly. All academic program, particularly your BSc certificate, diploma, or transcript document, copy of your valid international passport, signed declaration letter by the applicant, your CV, and a copy of a medical certificate from any public or private hospital showing that you are mentally and physically fit to undergo any program that you are hoping or aiming to apply for. Here, now for undergraduate program, acceptance letter from any of the institutions that you have applied to, then a copy of the letter from the home institution showing the educational credit, which is your transcript. That's what I'm talking about. Now, if the mobility is carried out in a language other than Spanish, the mother tongue, other than Spanish or the mother tongue. So which means if the mobility program that you want to carry out is if it is not in Spanish or your mother tongue, so if your mother tongue is in English or any other language of instruction, which is your mother tongue, you need to provide a copy of the communication issued by the receiving institution. So which means if you are studying for a course that is fully taught in English, you need to provide a copy of you need to provide a letter by the institution stating that English is the mode of instruction, or it can also be stated in the enrollment or admission letter issued to you. If the candidate is already pursuing a degree in Mexico, that is for those that are already pursuing a degree, a copy of academic transcript indicating a GPA of 85. That is for those who are already studying in Mexico and are looking to apply for this scholarship. Now, that is for undergraduate level. Let's quickly look at master degree and doctoral level. Acceptance letter, of course, is also important from any recognized from the 91 institutions in Mexico. So an acceptance letter showing that you have been admitted for master's program, PhD program, or bachelor program. Now, copy of the immediate previous degree, so which is your BSc certificate if you are going for master, or BSc and master degree certificate if you are going for PhD. Now, copy of the studies certificate, of course. We have talked about that. Now, if the candidate is already pursuing degree in Mexico, of course, you also need to provide a proof that you are already studying in Mexico. Now, and that is that. And also, this scholarship also provides opportunity for research stays at the graduate level. Of course, you can read details about some of the essential information. Now, how do you apply? This is the website to submit your application. You have to, fill in all the necessary details to be able to create to be able to create an account in here. Then when you've been able to create an account, you'll be able to apply for the scholarship separately, submit all the required documents. And of course, don't forget, you need to apply to any of the universities that are already listed here in Mexico. And one of the good things that I like about these universities in Mexico is that within 2 weeks or within a week, you will know if your applications for admission is accepted to any study program that you are going to be applying for. So you have no excuse not to apply for this opportunity. And Mexico is a very good country, and it's share border with the United States of America. So which means after your study program, you can look for opportunity to United States and, move elsewhere. If, of course, if you don't want to reside permanently in Mexico. And of course, Mexico also allow you to be able to come in with your family if you are offered this fully funded opportunity. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, any clarifications, try and drop comments on our. We will try as much as possible to answer your question as we see fit or as we know them. These are personal research that we have done, so we believe that you will do your own extensive research about some of these opportunities. And they also have an avenue such that if you need any clarifications or you want to ask any questions whatsoever, they will try as much as possible to answer any question on this channel. Okay, so that is why they said for questions about the general condition of this scholarship, send email to this particular email. They will try as much as possible to clarify any doubt or any question that you may have. Okay, thank you very, very much once again for listening. Till we come your way next time, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that by the time we drop opportunities like this, you will be the first person to get notification. Bye-bye for now.